Hi everyone, my name is Dark Raven. Some of you may know me as Holly. Um, I am the wife of Rider of Death. So, he got me this awesome box, and it's from Inked Shop. So, we're going to see what's inside of it. There we go. It says fragile on the box, so we're going to find out why. Alright guys, let's see what was in the box. Okay, so first we have a Sourpuss car air freshener. This crazy bat lady. I love that. Oh, we even have a Killstar air freshener. That's a cute little bat. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, he's so cute. He's gonna look so good in the car. We also have, looks like we've got two pairs of socks from Foot Clothes. How cool. Edgar Allan Poe socks. That's awesome. Even has well, if you could read it, it has some scripture on it from the book. Okay, and then we've got another pair. And it's a bat. How cute.
Sorry to interrupt, but remember that a little bit, I don't remember how much, because, I don't remember details very well, but every time you buy a pair of those bat socks from Foot Clothes, they actually donate a chunk of that proceeds to, I believe it's a bat homing or something like that.
That's awesome.
But yeah, rehoming bats somewhere in Brazil or something like that, I believe.
That's awesome. Good.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Well, I'm glad we helped.
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome.
All right, sorry to interrupt. You go ahead.
All right. Oh. We have a lava rock, can be oil infused, anxiety releasing bracelet. I don't know if you can see that very well. But with the pores on these lava rocks, you can put oil on them, and they actually hold the oil in for a pretty good period of time, and so it's very long lasting, and that helps for people who have anxiety like me. Took me a lot to get to doing this video. All right, looks like we've got two more items here, and this one's in a bag. Oh, this is cool. We have an inked and sexy skull bathing suit. That's awesome. I love it. Sorry guys, the camera turned off for some reason, but there we go. Now for the last one. It's big. Got it? Get it out of the box. Oh.
Let me help
I'm
you
gonna need, assistance here.
out. You gotta grab the whole
Yeah.
foam.
Yeah.
ASMR. Just
All right.
sealed for your protection.
Extra. It is the cutest cookie jar I have ever seen. How awesome is that? That is so cool. Oh my god, you guys, isn't he the cutest thing ever? Oh, I love him. I love how you can see his skeleton right through little tears. How cute. Even on the back. It's super cute. And look, decapitated. Awesome. Yeah, he's going in my bat cave for sure. Snacks and stuff. Oh, thank you, honey. He's awesome.
You're
I love
welcome.
it. Love it all. Well, that's all I have for you today. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.